Pair, welcome to my kitchen. Today is a special day that I'm gonna speak in English, so I hope that it's gonna be easier for my foreign friends to follow my cooking. And today's menu is green curry. I'm gonna show you how to make green curry in an easy method that you can cook at home. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna put coconut milk, and then I'm gonna put green curry paste. I use this brand, and then we're gonna stir it. When it is getting boiled, I'm gonna put chicken, put it in and mix it, and then I will leave it till it gets cooked. After chicken is getting cooked, I will put 1 cup of water. So now when the curry getting boiled again, I will put sugar palm. If you don't have this sugar palm, you can use 2 teaspoons of normal sugar. And I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. I will put Thai eggplant. If you cannot find Thai eggplant, you can use zucchini. Put the low heat on and we will leave green curry for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I will put basil and then turn off the stove. And this is our green curry. You can enjoy Thai food at home right now. If you love it, please subscribe, like and share, or show me back of your green curry. I want to see it. Thank you.